story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include heated steering wheel, rear view camera, tinted glass, voice-activated command system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, keyless start, security system, MP3 player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.